Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure here. I have a new chrome delete for the interior of the Tundra, and I should have done this a long time ago, and for some reason I just kept putting it off. Well, now I've got it finally here, so let's go install it. So what we got here is we have the gated shifter piece, and it is in matte black to match the other pieces I got from AJT Designs. As you can see, these two right here were also chrome deletes, but for whatever reason, maybe I just didn't notice it when I ordered, I did not get this piece. And this is going to complete this area. And then next I can move on to these chrome rings that are around the climate controls and the vents. So, but right now we're going to concentrate on this gated shifter part. So let's see, it appears to be pretty easy to install. First we'll start with, let's just take the shifter knob off. There we go, it loosens up. Okay. I have some, and then it appears you just put it over the chrome piece. You see here, I might have to move it into neutral. So let me go ahead and start it. And let's just, I think it just snaps down. That's it. Look at that. Make sure it's down all the way. Look at that. Perfect. Let me give you a closer look here. Alright, let's get that shifter knob back on. And I'll put it in park and give you another look. There we go. Got the shifter knob, as you can see here, covered up the chrome. These I've got done in the matte black with the red anodized. That looks great. Deleted all the chrome here. Next I'm going to do the climate controls, and then I'm going to do these vents right here. And on both sides, over here and over there. The rest of the interior pieces are in like a matte silver. I'm okay with those. You know, I think I'm just gonna leave them. I know they make some black parts to cover these, and they also make different ones to cover this and this. But, you know, and this here, let's not forget, they also make colored ones I can get a matte black to go here too. But, oh, let's not forget this. I'm gonna get a matte black piece to cover that as well. I really wish they had an easy way to cover this steering wheel with the leather right here. The only ones I see, you basically have to remove this piece to get the leather to tuck underneath. I don't want to force it under there because I'll probably break it. I just wish there was an easier way. It might just be easier just to find a salvage steering wheel that's already wrapped in leather off an old TRD or something. But anyways, there's the gated shifter piece. It just snaps on. Just remove the shifter knob and snap it right on. It's that easy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that install. And I've got more coming. I'll get some more of those chrome deletes and I'll show you how those go on as well. Well guys, I hope you liked that video installing the gated shifter from AJT Designs. Let me show you that right there. There it is again. It was a real easy install. It just clipped on after you remove the shift knob, which just unscrews just like anything else. It was easy, but it needed to be done. It was really bothering me because I had deleted the chrome all around the console except for that little piece. For whatever reason, I didn't get it. Anyways, I'll be doing the chrome delete on the vent rings and the climate control knobs in the future. I'll be making videos of that as well. I have some more videos coming. I try to upload one every week. These next videos coming will be, you know, the Tundra, some mountain biking adventures, and you know, a few other things, but mostly the Tundra. So please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And like I said, I try to get one up there uploaded every week. I had a neighbor come outside, so I didn't feel comfortable filming in front of him. It's just part of making YouTube videos. Anyways, so there you have it. If you would, again, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. And stay tuned for more videos. I've got a bunch coming, so I'll see you then. See ya.